Bacrometer Inc. makes small cooling fans on one of its production lines. Each month, the company produces 5,000 of these fans at a variable cost of $9 per unit. The company received a bid from another manufacturer to provide these fans for $10 a unit. The company knows that the production line could be rented to another manufacturer for $7,500 per month, assuming they weren't using it. So the fixed costs associated with the production line will remain unchanged regardless of the company's decision. Should the company make these fans or should they buy them and rent the production line? All right, so first of all, if we make the fans, what does this look like? Well, it says that we make 5,000 of these fans every month, and we spend $9 per unit in variable cost. So that's $45,000 that we're spending in variable cost to make the fans. There's additional fixed costs, but in both scenarios, the fixed cost is the same. So in reality, the fixed cost doesn't really come into our analysis. So then if we buy the fans from the other manufacturer, it says that they will sell them to us for $10 a unit. So the 5,000 units times $10 a piece is $50,000. But we're then able to rent out the production line for $7,500. So that will bring in some revenue that will help offset this variable cost. So now I end up with $42,500 as my cost if we buy the units. And so if we buy the units and then rent them out, right? So this is the rent that's coming in. So it looks like the 4,200 is the better deal. But this is one of those situations where now the firm needs to do the analysis and decide, right? The difference between the two is $2,500, right? And is that $2,500 worth losing control of the manufacturing process? We no longer have the ability to determine, when that product's going to be delivered. I mean, hopefully the supplier will be on time, but how far does that $2,500 go in terms of helping us achieve our goals, knowing that the control over the manufacturing process is now in the hands of someone else?